ओके, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट फॉर अ सेक. क्या आपको भी ऐसा लगता है कि यू आर गिविंग योर 100% ऑन योर डेली बेसिस, यू आर फॉलोइंग एवरी एक्शन, यू आर गोइंग टू जिम, यू आर डूइंग great job, you are earning good money, still you feel exhausted. And the worst part is, इतना कुछ करने के बाद भी जब आप अपने current self और desired self के बीच में gap दे, that is too much. Like you are doing everything to get a good life and progress is barely visible. Don't worry, you are not alone. So in this video, we are going to talk about 9 hidden life traps which kill your progress silently in your life. And trust me, everyone falls for this trap. Whether you are a student, whether you are a working professional, whether you are a businessman, whether you are in your 40s, 50s or 60s. So once you understand these patterns, your whole approach of the self growth, growing ahead in your life will completely change. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Trap number 1. Don't be good at something that you truly hate. लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग. हम जो करियर चूज करते हैं वो मनी, स्टेटस और प्रेशर की वजह से चूज करते हैं बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल थिंक्स कि सेटल लाइफ इज इक्वल टू अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. अगर आपकी जॉब आपको अच्छा पे कर रही है मतलब आप सेटल्ड हो एंड यू आर इन अ गुड करियर. बट लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग. ये वाला जो करियर है इट लुक्स गुड ऑन द पेपर्स, लुक ऑन गुड ऑन सोशल मीडिया साइट्स और वेबसाइट्स, बट इन पर्सनल लाइफ it is completely miserable. For example, maximum number of students go for BBA or MBA because the end product is really good. Most of the people are settled in that career option. First part is, the more you work on the things, you will get perfect at it. Otherwise, you end up being good at something that you truly hate, and that would be more difficult to leave. Trap number 2 is avoid gossip and drama. I know gossip is fun, everybody gossips, whether it's with their family, with friends, or everybody, right? But it silently kills your productivity. Let's understand how. When you gossip, जब आप gossip करते हो, you end up getting involved in the other person's life. The problems of that other person you are gossiping about will silently enter into your life, and that's gonna mess up with your brain and reduce your productivity. बहुत से लोग आजकल बिग बॉस देखते हैं, बहुत से लोग लाइक आजकल टीवी सीरीज में बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व होते हैं. Then whatever happens in their life, they end up crying at their home while seeing the TV, or they end up getting emotional. But actually that is killing them. The more you gossip, the more unscattered and unproductive you become. Protect your mental peace, invest in something that truly matters. Normalize people living behind or normalize living people your life. Okay, sometimes what happens is, like, after some time you don't feel like spending time with your friends, you don't feel like spending time with like staying in a certain company because you outgrow people, and that is completely normal. It doesn't mean you don't love them anymore, it doesn't mean like you are betraying them or you don't like them. It is like your thoughts, your career perspectives, your future goals doesn't align with them anymore, and it's completely fine. But if you don't live them, you end up staying with them, and that time you spend with them gonna drain your energy and drain you out. If you don't understand this, you end up being guilt tripping on yourself because you are not doing good with yourself and your life. Growth requires emotional distance from the people who drains your energy even if you love them. Trap number 4, your old life will cost you the new one. You can't expect the new upgraded version of yourself while following the same old lifestyle habits. Better skin need a consistent skincare routine. Healthy body needs more movement. A successful business required a time, learning and consistency. Just like making a pasta. अगर आपको पास्ता बनाना है तो उसके लिए आपको फ्लावर को, आटे को गूंदना पड़ेगा, उसको नीड करना पड़ेगा. Then you have to cut that and boil that. तभी वो पास्ता बनेगा. Like, flour is actually tasteless object. To convert that into a pasta, it has to go through a lot of the process. Similar with the humans, you have to go through the process if you want to become something great. Trap number 5, don't dim your light to comfort others. Let's get straight to it. आपकी टीचर क्लास में कभी भी कोई क्वेश्चन पूछती है, you hesitate while answering that question. When you are in a group of your friends, you hesitate by cracking a joke, or you end up cracking that joke everybody likes, but somehow deep inside you know that that is completely wrong. Like you did that for the validation of the other people. Or sometimes when you are in a company presentation, you hesitate while sharing your opinion. Let me tell you something. This is not nervousness or lack of confidence. This is the fear of judgment. आप डरते हो कि what people will say. आप डरते हो कि लोग आपसे क्या कहेंगे, what they will think about you. Do whatever you want. Don't dim your light. If you feel like something is right for you, this idea will work in this presentation, my answer is correct for my class, and whatever I am saying, this is not for the validation of the other people but for myself, what I feel, then you are completely fine. Shine unapologetically. Right people will appreciate you. Teach people how to treat you. Your boundaries, your non-negotiables, and your emotional boundaries. You have to tell people when they shouldn't cross their line in your life. They are not allowed to say certain things about you. If somebody disrespect you and you stay silent and ignore them, actually you are telling them this is acceptable, you can say them. For example, my non-negotiables are my career, my family, my love life. Nobody is allowed to gossip on that. Be clear, be honest. People will value your space and respond accordingly. If they doesn't, leave them behind. Trap number 7. Fear gives terrible advices. Fear makes your brain chaotic and you end up overthinking. Let me tell you something. When you are going for an interview, you are going to do a test, you are going for a stage performance, anything, it is normal to feel nervous and feel like chaotic, feel anxious about the certain situation. But the power you hold is when you acknowledge that thing and you know that you are feeling certain things. When you know it, your mind is unstable. Calm down, stop before reacting and think before reacting. Take your time, talk to someone you trust, or just take advice from the 3 or 4 people before taking an important decision in your life, or just wait for 1 or 2 days or delay your decision. Decisions made with steady mind are always better than decision made with fear. Trap number 8. Only take advice from the people who have achieved it. Okay, you want to do something in your life, you want to do a business, you are consulting with your family, you are consulting with your partner, you are consulting with XYZ, your friends. But girl, get this thing straight in your head. The things you are discussing with them, whether they have achieved it or not. If your father is a businessman, he cannot guide you how to become a doctor. So if you want to become a doctor, you have to discuss certain things with the doctor. He will tell you how to prepare for the exam, how to target for the college and everything. And if your father is a doctor or he is doing a job, you can't consult with him for the business because he doesn't have experience in a certain field. No disrespect for the parents, but this is the truth. Try to talk to the people, those who have already achieved it. You want to go in a certain college, ask from the seniors of a certain college. You want to become a doctor, talk with the doctors. You want to do a business, talk with the people who have achieved a successful business in search. Follow the people who have already achieved what you dream of. They know the path. Trap number 9. Don't blame anyone. Your life is your responsibility. Your college, your partner, your lifestyle. These choices are yours, not your parents, not your friends, not your fiance, not society. If you let others decide for you, you are giving away the steering wheel of your own life. Take responsibility. Every decision shapes your future. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope these 9 traps opened your eyes to the pattern that silently hold you back. Remember, your life changes the moment you decide to take control. See you in the next video. If this helped, don't forget to press the subscribe button.